Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Nike Dunk lows, this time in the Midas color scheme. So let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. We've got some amazing shade pieces on there, so be sure to head on over to that site after this video is over. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the Midas dunks, and it's been a minute actually since I have had these, so sorry for the delay on getting this unboxing out, but we are finally here. This is a really cool colorway that dropped a little bit ago, but we are going to talk about the overview of these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this colorway, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Again, the name of these is the Midas Dunk Low, and it is a nice color combination of this goldenrod yellow, which you see on the toe box region here. And on the front of the toe box, we do have that leather in a nice pop of a deeper red. It's almost Bordeaux-like, but not quite. Definitely just a deeper shade of red, which I think complements that goldenrod yellow quite nicely. As we work our way up to the front of the upper, you'll see that we've got some nice red laces here, and it does have a little bit of hint of kind of a metallic stitching that really hits the light quite nicely and kind of gives it this shimmer effect. On the nylon tongue, the whole tongue is in a goldenrod colorway and is outlined in that nice deep red color scheme. The Nike swoosh is also having nice accents of that red colorway. Let's take a look at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. So working our way to the side panels, we have underlays of that goldenrod yellow. The swoosh is in that nice deep red, which works its way around with the overlays in the red to the heel, where the Nike is actually embroidered in a nice just bright pop of yellow on top of the red leather. The inside of the sneaker has an insole that is in a goldenrod colorway with a nice neon coral color scheme for the Nike swoosh mark. Interesting color combination there, just because you don't really quite see coral anywhere else on the sneaker. As far as the inside of the collar goes, that is also in a nice red color scheme. As we work our way to the other side, again, underlays of that goldenrod yellow, overlays of that rich deep red on the swoosh, as well as the other portions of the sneaker. And then the sneaker is then complete with a nice simplistic white midsole and a deep red outsole. Let's take a look at those final details. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on these. I am a 7.5 in men's, and I do have high arched narrow feet. So if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that may work better for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling this colorway. I definitely feel like it was kind of a Hogwarts color scheme. So I had fun actually shooting these with a schoolgirl skirt in a red and white color scheme, which I think complemented this quite nicely. I paired that with a cropped goldenrod yellow sweater, and I think it just gave it this nice, fun school look. I decided to just keep it pretty simplistic with a white blazer that was cropped, as well as some white denim pants. I think that it really just kind of took the shoes to another place where these were the standout piece in that look. Last and final look, I wanted to bring some fun textures to the mix, so I decided to wear some patch denim pants with a white t-shirt, and the patches had nice kind of complementary colors in it, which I think worked quite nicely with the sneaker itself. All right, so you let me know down below, what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these?
You know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there. True story. I must have been searching, though I wasn't looking for much. Checking out the scene, wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool. I prefer to stay in the cut. Don't want no attention on me when I'm trying to shake the blues up off me. But then I saw your face. It caused my heart to race. Girl, you're looking like $1,000,000. Something about the way you strut your stuff. Oh, girl, you're fine as you wanna. What I'm supposed to do? Something told me got time to lose. Go ahead and bust a move. Funny thing about love, when it comes and goes, you never know. So you gotta keep your heart exposed, and you can be sure there's no cause and no cure. And if it wants you, oh, it'll come and find you. Fall back just a little. Don't wanna lead you on. Don't wanna push a feeling and make the feeling gone. You see, I got your number, but still I ain't used the phone. No, I let it breathe for a minute, baby. Next thing I know,
now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So again, these retailed at $100 price point, which is always such a great price point for the dunks, which is why these always sell out and don't sit on the shelves ever, just because it's such a great pricing. But these are reselling for around $140 to $180. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new here today, thank you so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We'll catch you all next episode.
When it's coming, but you sure know it when it does. Yeah, one thing I know about love, you might get what you ask for, so you better be sure.